Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Back in the kitchen again guys, making some raw cabbage salad. Guys, this is so good, it is so healthy guys. I'm gonna put all the ingredients in the description box. So guys, just enjoy this video, big up on yourself, and thank you for watching. Yes guys, this is what I'm gonna put in my cabbage salad, and here I have some parsley, and I rinse off all of this in some vinegar water. I soak it in the vinegar water for about 5 minutes, and this is all of my vegetables. Okay guys, here I have some parsley, I have 2 carrots, some plum tomato, purple onion, cabbage, cucumber, and green bell pepper, and some lettuce, and some yellow bell pepper and red bell pepper. Okay guys, what I'm going to do now guys is to cut up all of these. So what I'm going to cut up first, I have quarter of a cabbage. Just going to cut it up well, fine, and you have to make sure your knife is sharp. Okay guys, so you're not going to cut a cabbage jumbo size, you're just going to cut it as fine as possible. Do I look when I cut it up? You see this? Yeah, this is how fine it look. So just gonna put it in my bowl over here. Yes guys, here I have 2 carrots. I'm just gonna shred them on my grater. So I'm not gonna use the small pot, I'm gonna use the big shred pot of my grater. Yes guys, this is how it looks so far. What I'm gonna do is to just put it right over here beside my cabbage. Yes guys, here I have my cucumber and I have my vegetable slicer here. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna use my vegetable slicer and cut up my cucumber, because when I use that I get some very good small size cucumber. I don't like when them thick, and when I use this it come out really thin, and that's what I want. Okay guys, so this is how it look. This is how thin it look when I'm slicing it. Yeah, that's why I like it. I like to use it than to use the knife and cut it up. Yes guys, here is my bell peppers. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna slice them up very fine, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna slice them. I'm just gonna prep them up, and then I'll come back to you guys. You see, I just slice it in 2. So what I'm gonna do next is to just slice it like this. This is all fine. I'm gonna make my bell peppers. I'm gonna cut up my bell peppers. Okay guys, so I'm gonna prep up these and come back to you. Yes guys, this is my bell pepper, red, green, and yellow, and I just take the time and just slice up my small plummy tomato and my parsley and my purple onion. So what I'm gonna do is to just place it in my cabbage salad dish over here. Okay guys, yes guys, I have 2 stalks of lettuce. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna slice off this part of it. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I'm just gonna slice it off. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is to just slice up my lettuce in small pieces. Just want the green part in my salad. Okay, that's why I cut off a little whitish part of the lettuce. Finish cut up all my raw vegetable, which is cabbage salad, and this is how beautiful it look guys. This is all raw vegetable. So guys, I'm gonna make a little topping to put on it guys, and what I'm gonna use to make my topping is some cayenne pepper and a bit of salt and some yogurt and basil and 1 lime. I squeeze 1 lime, and this is the amount of juice I get. So let's go guys and make my salad dressing. Okay guys, this is my yogurt. Just gonna add my yogurt to my plate here. So I'm just gonna put all of it in there, and this is 1 lemon. I'm gonna put some basil in there, not much, just some little basil. Just gonna put some cayenne pepper in there, not much either. Okay, just a bit. Okay, just gonna add a tip of salt. I'm just gonna combine this together. What I'm gonna do next is to add a little tip of vinegar in there. Just a little tip. This is about a teaspoon. You know, just gonna combine everything together. Then I'm gonna give it a taste. Taste it. Perfect. What I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna put all of my vegetable into this container that I can get to combine everything together. Just gonna use my hand, guys, and do it better. Okay. So beautiful this look. Yeah. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Guys, what I'm gonna do now is to put my salad dressing on it. I'm gonna use my hand and go in. I think my hand read better, so I'm just using my hand to just go in with this. Okay, combine all of this nice and smells so good, you know, smells good. Okay guys, look at this. You just want to make sure your hands are clean. Okay guys, look at this. Oh my god. Yeah. Yes guys, this is the finished look of my cabbage salad. Guys, it is so good, it is so healthy. Guys, see, if you want to lose weight for 2021, guys, this is the vegetable you have to try. Guys, it is so good. No sugar added, just pure fresh vegetable. Yes guys, it is so good. Guys, big up on yourself, and thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and share and comment and tell me all about my cabbage salad, guys. Big up on yourself, guys. Enjoy and bye. So guys, I'm having my cabbage salad with some baked chicken and some rice and peas, and I don't know if you can see my plantain and my avocado, guys. Happy Sunday. Have a blessed one, guys. Bye.